In this video, I'll show you how to use a display case from 2 Timbers as a ready-to-use contact frame for making StencilPro stencils. Combine this with our filler kit and you have a complete starter kit for making your very own DIY silkscreen stencils in less than 30 minutes. The display case is available from Amazon.com and the filler kit is available from CraftyPrinters.com. Links are available in the description below. We chose the 12 by 18 inch case because the inside dimensions are large enough to hold a full 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of StencilPro. Now let's start the unboxing. The case comes in a heavy-duty cardboard box. Quality is excellent and made right here in the USA. The top layer is a low-density, gray-colored foam sheet that is used to hold items in the case. We'll use it to press StencilPro tightly against the transparency while exposing to light. Don't need the keys, but of course save them. Be sure to save the bottom cardboard panel. Will be handy for blocking out sunlight until ready to expose. Now to introduce you to our filler kit. It comes with a plastic frame assortment pack, a plastic canvas washout screen, 2 sheets of inkjet transparency film for printing your designs, a 6-inch squeegee, a plastic spatula, and of course 5 sheets of StencilPro. You get all this for only $1 above the price of a standard 5-sheet pack of StencilPro. It's a great deal. Okay, now let's demonstrate. Couldn't be any easier. The combination of the hinges and latches make it super easy to use and very effective as a contact frame. Did you notice the stainless steel pan? It's perfect for blocking out light and soaking your stencils in water for developing. Also available at Amazon.com. Links below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on our expanding Basic StencilPro series, and much more.